As an investor, you are often told to do SIP investment for your long term financial goals. But can lump sum investment be beneficial? If so, when? We have our industry expert Mr. Gurraj with us to gain more clarity on this topic. Gurraj, over to you.
Should I invest through lump sum? Should I invest through SIP? When markets are volatile, don't put lump sum. Markets are really crashing. That is a good time to invest lump sum. Otherwise, for me, keep this thumb rule. I always say you don't know when the market crash will happen. It will come for sure. It came in 2008, 11, 12, 12 or 13, 14, and then 2020 in between 18, 19, so many times, right? What I should do as an investor is whenever the correction comes, I should have enough money, right? How do I ensure it? That's why we always say have 30% in at least debt at any point in time. So that when such market correction comes, you are able to capitalize on it. So that is when I'll put my lump sum. Otherwise, for all my long term goals, the easiest thing I can do is SIP. I'll keep doing my SIP.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.